Yes, you're welcome to End Cryptos. In the previous video, you learned valid pullback. In this video, you're going to learn impulsive move. So we're starting with the bullish or the buyer's impulsive move. So as you can see right now, we have candles making impulsive moves. So we want to learn how to map it or how to mark it. Okay, so we're going to use the part 2 right here. So we're going to use it to mark the valid pullbacks. So starting from here, so we had this impulsive move. So the next candle broke higher to this point, then the next candle made a valid pullback. So we're going to mark this top and then mark this pullback. Okay, then we continue like that to the next candle that made impulsive move to the high, breaking the high of the previous candle. Then the next candle also broke the high. The next candle did not break the high and did not break the low, so we proceed to the next candle. The next candle broke the high, then we had a valid pullback here because this candle broke the low of this candle. So we're going to mark up here and we mark this pullback. Then we'll proceed to the next candle that broke the high of this previous candle, and to the next candle that also broke the high, to the next candle that also broke the high. Then the next candle had a pullback, valid pullback. So we're going to mark up here and we'll mark this pullback, and that is our part. So we'll mark the impulsive move. So this move right now from here to here is what we call impulsive move. So the whole of this move is what we call impulsive move, from the bottom to the top. So that's an impulsive move. So we go over to the real chart and see exactly what it looks like. So we're starting from the bottom. So the first, we had this high, then this valid pullback. This is the first valid pullback. Then the candle keeps going higher, impulsive move to the upside. Then we had a pullback here. Then you can see this is an inside bar candle. So we continue to the upside until we see a valid pullback. We mark here and mark the valid pullback. Then we continue to where the candle broke above this candle to this top. You can see we'll keep going up until we see a valid pullback. So we got here and we saw this valid pullback. You see, you can see this is an inside bar candle, this is a pullback. So we'll mark the pullback, then we'll continue to the top again. We are looking at the break above the previous high. So when we got a candle that went higher, we'll look for a pullback. So we got here and we saw a pullback, so we'll mark here and mark the pullback. You can see this candle is a pullback, but this green candle went lower than this red one, so we are leaving the red. We'll mark the green. So because we want to mark the lowest, the candle that went the lowest on the pullback. Okay, so we'll mark the green, and this candle went higher than this previous high, so we'll mark the high. Then we'll mark the pullback again. So you can see this red is a pullback, but this next red went lower than this red, so we'll mark it. But before we mark it, you can see the next candle went lower, so we'll keep going lower until we mark the lowest candle, the candle that went the lowest after this high. The candle that went the lowest, we'll mark it before going higher again, higher than this point. So we go higher again. Then this is another pullback. We'll mark it, then we'll keep going high again. When this high was broken, we go to this high, So that is it. So from this down to this top, that is our impulsive move. So I'm going to mark it and label it as impulsive move. So from here to here is our impulsive move. Okay, so that is how to mark impulsive move. So in the next video you see how to mark impulsive move in a downtrend. So this is impulsive move in an uptrend. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. You can join our class on Telegram. See you in the next video.